Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard is a classic self-help book that explores the power of our thoughts and feelings in shaping our reality. The book emphasizes the importance of imagining and feeling the fulfillment of our desires to manifest them in our lives. Let's break down the key lessons and concepts from the book, along with explained examples. 1. The power of imagination. Imagination is the creative force that can shape your reality. What you imagine and feel as true can become your reality. If you desire a dream vacation, imagine and feel as though you are already there. Visualize the sights, sounds, and emotions of your vacation. By doing so, you start to attract the resources and opportunities needed to make it a reality. 2. The role of feelings. Feelings play a crucial role in manifesting your desires. It's not enough to visualize, you must feel the emotions associated with your desires. If your desire is to attract a loving relationship, visualize yourself in that relationship and feel the love, joy, and fulfillment it brings. The emotions you generate are key to manifesting this desire. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life in its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. Faith and belief. Faith and belief are essential. You must believe in the reality of your desires before they manifest. Suppose you aspire to a successful career. Imagine and feel yourself in your desired role. Believe in your capabilities and the opportunities that will come your way. Your unwavering faith can lead to career advancement. 4. Persistence and consistency. Consistency and persistence in your thoughts and feelings are crucial. Stay focused on your desires and maintain the emotions associated with them. If you want to overcome financial challenges, consistently imagine financial abundance and feel the relief it brings. Maintain this focus and emotional state, and over time, you can attract financial opportunities and solutions. 5. The subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the bridge between your thoughts and reality. Impress your desires upon your subconscious through feeling and repetition. If you seek improved health, imagine yourself in perfect health and feel the vitality. Repeat this mental image regularly, as your subconscious mind can influence your physical well-being. 6. Living in the end. Live as if your desires have already been fulfilled. Act, think, and feel as though you are already experiencing what you desire. If you want to excel in exams, live in the end by visualizing yourself confidently answering questions and feeling the satisfaction of success. This mindset can boost your performance. 7. Detaching from the how. Don't concern yourself with the how of manifestation. Focus on the end result and let the universe work out the details. Suppose you're looking for your dream home. Focus on the end result, the feeling of being in your ideal home, without worrying about the specifics of how it will come to you. The right opportunities will present themselves. 8. The law of assumption. Your assumptions about reality influence your experiences. Assume that your desires are already true. If you desire career advancement, assume the role and responsibilities of the position you seek. Act as if you already hold that position, and your assumptions can become your reality. These lessons from Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard emphasize the power of imagination, feelings, faith, and consistency in manifesting your desires. By understanding and applying these principles, you can positively influence your life and create the reality you desire. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.